10 simple tips for better sleep. 1. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. 2. A consistent sleep schedule is crucial for maintaining a healthy sleep-wake cycle and promoting overall well-being. This practice involves going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. While it may seem tempting to sleep in on weekends to catch up on lost sleep from the work week, this can actually disrupt your body's internal clock and make it harder to fall asleep and wake up at the desired times during the week. Is key when it comes to regulating your body's natural circadian rhythm, which is responsible for controlling the sleep-wake cycle. When you go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, your body becomes accustomed to this routine and can more effectively prepare for sleep and wakefulness at the appropriate times. This helps to optimize the quality and duration of your sleep, leading to improved overall health and functioning. One of the main reasons why a consistent sleep schedule is important is because it helps to regulate your body's internal clock, also known as the circadian rhythm. This internal clock is responsible for regulating various physiological processes, including the sleep-wake cycle, hormone secretion, and body temperature. When you go to bed and wake up at different times each day, it can disrupt this internal clock and lead to a range of negative health effects, including difficulty falling asleep, poor sleep quality, and daytime fatigue. 2. Create a relaxing bedtime routine to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. A relaxing bedtime routine is a powerful way to signal to your body that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. This routine involves engaging in calming activities that promote relaxation and help to ease the transition from wakefulness to sleep. By establishing a consistent bedtime routine, you can train your body and mind to recognize the cues that it's time to unwind, making it easier to fall asleep and enjoy a restful night's rest. One of the key components of a relaxing bedtime routine is to start winding down at least an hour before you plan to go to sleep. This allows your body and mind to gradually transition from the busyness of the day to a state of relaxation conducive to sleep. Begin by engaging in activities that help to quiet the mind and reduce stress, such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or gentle stretching. These practices can help to calm the nervous system and promote a sense of inner peace, making it easier to let go of the day's worries and prepare for sleep. In addition to calming the mind, it's also important to create a comfortable sleep environment as part of your bedtime routine. This includes making sure that your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet, as these conditions can help to promote restful sleep. Consider investing in blackout curtains or a white noise machine to block out any light or noise that may disrupt your sleep. You may also want to experiment with different bedding materials or pillows to find what feels most comfortable and supportive for you. Another important aspect of a relaxing bedtime routine is to avoid stimulating activities or electronics in the hour leading up to bedtime. This includes things like watching TV, using your phone or computer, or engaging in intense physical activity. These activities can stimulate the brain and make it harder to relax and unwind before sleep. Instead, opt for quieter, more soothing activities such as reading a book, taking a warm bath, or listening to calming music. These activities can help to signal to your body that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. It's also helpful to establish a consistent bedtime routine that you follow every night. This helps to reinforce the association between these calming activities and the act of falling asleep, making it easier to trigger the body's natural sleep response. Try to engage in the same activities in the same order each night, and aim to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Consistency is key when it comes to establishing healthy sleep habits. So make your bedtime routine a non-negotiable part of your nightly ritual. In addition to engaging in calming activities, it can also be helpful to incorporate relaxation techniques into your bedtime routine. These techniques can help to quiet the mind and release tension from the body, making it easier to drift off to sleep. One simple relaxation technique is progressive muscle relaxation, which involves tensing and then releasing each muscle group in the body, starting from the toes and working your way up to the head. This can help to release physical tension and promote a sense of deep relaxation throughout the body. Another effective relaxation technique is visualization, which involves imagining yourself in a peaceful and serene setting, such as a beach or a forest. As you visualize this scene, focus on engaging all of your senses and immersing yourself fully in the experience. This can help to distract the mind from any racing thoughts or worries and create a sense of calm and tranquility that can facilitate sleep. You can also try incorporating mindfulness meditation into your bedtime routine, which involves focusing on your breath and bringing your awareness to the present moment. This can help to quiet the mind and promote a sense of inner peace that can make it easier to fall asleep. Overall, creating a relaxing bedtime routine is an essential component of promoting healthy sleep habits and improving the quality of your sleep. By engaging in calming activities, establishing a consistent routine, and incorporating relaxation techniques into your nightly ritual, you can signal to your body that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. So make it a priority to create a bedtime routine that works for you, and enjoy the restful and rejuvenating sleep that follows. Making your bedroom conducive to sleep is essential for ensuring a restful night's rest. Your sleep environment plays a significant role in how quickly you fall asleep, how deeply you sleep, and how refreshed you feel upon waking. By creating a sleep-friendly environment that is cool, dark, and quiet, you can optimize your chances of getting the quality sleep your body needs to function at 1. Make your bedroom conducive to sleep by keeping it cool, dark, and quiet. Making your bedroom conducive to sleep is essential for ensuring a restful night's rest. Your sleep environment plays a significant role in how quickly you fall asleep, how deeply you sleep, and how refreshed you feel upon waking. By creating a sleep-friendly environment that is cool, dark, and quiet, you can optimize your chances of getting the quality sleep your body needs to function at. One of the key factors in creating a sleep-conducive bedroom is to keep it cool. The ideal temperature for sleep is typically between 60 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit, 15.5 to 19.5 degrees Celsius. A cooler room helps to lower your core body temperature, which is essential for initiating sleep. You can achieve this by adjusting your thermostat, using a fan, or opening a window to let in cool air. Additionally, consider investing in bedding materials that are breathable and moisture-wicking, such as cotton or bamboo, to help regulate your body temperature throughout the night. 1. Limit exposure to screens before bed, as the blue light emitted can interfere with your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Limiting exposure to screens before bed is crucial for promoting better sleep quality and maintaining a healthy sleep-wake cycle. The blue light emitted by screens, such as those from smartphones, tablets, computers, and televisions, can disrupt your body's natural production of melatonin, the hormone responsible for regulating sleep. By reducing your exposure to screens in the hours leading up to bedtime, you can help your body wind down and prepare for a restful night's sleep. 5. Avoid caffeine and stimulants late in the day, as they can disrupt sleep patterns. Avoiding caffeine and stimulants late in the day is essential for promoting better sleep quality and maintaining a healthy sleep routine. Caffeine is a stimulant found in coffee, tea, chocolate, energy drinks, and some medications, and its consumption can have significant effects on sleep patterns, making it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep throughout the night. By understanding the impact of caffeine on sleep and making conscious choices to limit its intake, you can improve your sleep quality and overall well-being. Caffeine works by blocking the action of adenosine, a neurotransmitter in the brain that promotes sleep and relaxation. By blocking adenosine receptors, caffeine increases alertness and arousal, making it harder for the body to enter a state of relaxation conducive to sleep. The effects of caffeine can last for several hours, with half of the caffeine you consume being eliminated from your body within 7 hours. This means that even consuming caffeine in the afternoon or early evening can interfere with your ability to fall asleep and stay asleep throughout the night. 6. Get regular exercise, but avoid vigorous activity close to bedtime. Regular exercise is not only beneficial for physical health, but also plays a crucial role in promoting better sleep quality and overall well-being. Engaging in regular physical activity has been shown to improve sleep duration, sleep quality, and sleep efficiency, while also reducing the incidence of sleep disturbances such as insomnia and sleep apnea. However, it's important to be mindful of the timing of your exercise routine, as vigorous activity close to bedtime can have stimulatory effects on the body and interfere with sleep onset. Exercise has been linked to numerous sleep-related benefits, including the promotion of deeper, more restorative sleep. Physical activity helps to regulate the body's internal clock, known as the circadian rhythm, which governs the sleep-wake cycle. Regular exercise can also help to reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression, both of which are common contributors to sleep disturbances. Additionally, exercise has been shown to increase the production of endorphins, the body's natural mood-boosting chemicals, which can promote feelings of relaxation and well-being conducive to sleep. 7. Watch your diet, avoiding heavy meals, spicy foods, and excessive fluids before bedtime. Watching your diet and making mindful food choices can have a significant impact on your sleep quality and overall well-being. Certain foods and beverages can either promote restful sleep or disrupt your ability to fall asleep and stay asleep throughout the night. By being mindful of your dietary habits, you can optimize your sleep environment and set yourself up for a more restful night's sleep. One important dietary consideration for promoting better sleep is avoiding heavy meals, spicy foods, and excessive fluids before bedtime. Consuming large or rich meals close to bedtime can lead to discomfort, indigestion, and acid reflux, all of which can interfere with your ability to fall asleep and stay asleep throughout the night. Spicy foods in particular can increase the risk of heartburn and gastrointestinal discomfort, making it harder to relax and unwind before bed. To promote better sleep quality, aim to finish eating at least 2-3 hours before bedtime to allow for proper digestion and minimize the risk of discomfort during the night. 8. Limit naps during the day, especially in the late afternoon or evening, as they can make it harder to fall asleep at night. Limiting daytime naps, especially in the late afternoon or evening, can be crucial for maintaining a healthy sleep schedule and ensuring restful nighttime sleep. While napping can provide a temporary energy boost and help alleviate feelings of fatigue, excessive or poorly timed naps can disrupt your body's natural sleep-wake cycle and make it harder to fall asleep at night. By understanding the potential effects of napping on sleep quality and implementing strategies to optimize your daytime sleep habits, you can promote better sleep overall and wake up feeling more refreshed and rejuvenated each morning. 9. Seek professional help if needed for underlying sleep disorders like insomnia or sleep apnea. Seeking professional help for underlying sleep disorders such as insomnia or sleep apnea is crucial for addressing and managing these conditions effectively. While occasional difficulty sleeping is common and can often be resolved through simple lifestyle changes, persistent sleep problems that significantly impact your daily functioning and quality of life may indicate an underlying sleep disorder that requires professional intervention. By consulting with a healthcare provider or sleep specialist, you can receive an accurate diagnosis, personalized treatment recommendations, and ongoing support to help you overcome your sleep challenges and achieve better overall health and well-being. 10. Manage stress and anxiety through relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or gentle stretching before bedtime. Managing stress and anxiety is crucial for promoting better sleep quality and overall well-being. Chronic stress and anxiety can interfere with the body's ability to relax and fall asleep, leading to difficulty sleeping, restless nights, and feelings of fatigue during the day. By incorporating relaxation techniques into your bedtime routine, you can help calm your mind and body, reduce stress and anxiety levels, and prepare yourself for a restful night's sleep. For merchandise, see the links in the description and in the pinned comment. Subscribe and click in the bell icon to receive notifications when we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.